Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an important topic that everyone should know about: pods and vapes. You might have heard about them, seen them, or even know someone who uses them. But what exactly are they? Are they safe? And why is everyone talking about them? Let's find out. First things first, what are pods and vapes? Pods are small containers filled with e-liquid, which usually contains nicotine, flavorings, and other chemicals. Vapes, also known as e-cigarettes, are devices that heat the e-liquid to create a vapor that people inhale. They were originally designed to help adults quit smoking, but they've become popular for other reasons too. Now, let's talk about the uses of pods and vapes. For adults who are trying to quit smoking, vapes can be a tool to help them reduce their dependence on traditional cigarettes. Some people also use them because they come in fun flavors like mango, mint, or bubblegum. But here's the thing. Vapes and pods are not meant for kids or teens. In fact, they can be really harmful, especially for young people like you. Now, let's talk about the misuses and dangers of pods and vapes. Nicotine addiction. Many pods contain nicotine, which is highly addictive. Even a small amount can hook you for life. Health risks. Vaping can harm your lungs, heart, and brain. It's not just harmless water vapor. It's filled with chemicals that can damage your body. Gateway to smoking studies show that teens who vape are more likely to start smoking cigarettes later. Unknown long-term effects. Since vaping is still pretty new, scientists don't fully know all the ways it can hurt your health in the long run. Some people think vaping is cool or safe, but the truth is it's not. Companies that make pods and vapes often target young people with colorful designs and sweet flavors, but don't be fooled. These products can seriously harm your health. So, what can you do instead? Stay informed and make smart choices. If you feel pressured to try vaping, say no. Focus on healthy habits like sports, art, or spending time with friends and family. If you know someone who's vaping, encourage them to quit and talk to a trusted adult. Remember, your health is super important and you only get one body. Take care of it. If you ever have questions or feel unsure about something, talk to a parent, teacher, or doctor. They're here to help you. Thanks for watching, friends. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Stay smart, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!